Hello dears, how are you doing today? It's gorgeous here. Look, the sun, the trees, everything is beautiful. Alhamdulillah. In this video I want to explain the third way that make you free financially. This way is related to business. When you are convinced and you have the willing to establish a business that can by time generate passive income to you, you'll be able to be free financially very easily and quickly. And I mean by business here, especially business related to internet that may provide you with scalable service, scalable business. Scalability is very much required because you can always with it update your products and make free time for you. Your products will be always available according to the need to these products from people. Here this business may be e-book business, maybe online courses, maybe always what is related to software companies. You may eventually have shares in some companies before having your own company, and it's a way as well to contribute to be patient until you can have your own business. Here online business or passive income business is very important. Why? Because it requires patience and commitment both. If you are patient and committed, you can by time gather a product that is sustainable, that is good product, high quality product, and you may by time sell it and buy it through internet, via internet. And software companies are very much important, very much updated now and fashionable, like we can say, for example, database software companies are very much frequent, and they can generate passive income by time and make you free financially. This is the third way for your financial freedom. In previous videos I explained how to be free financially by acquiring real estates. Real estates are God's money, so it's very good to think about acquiring real estates. It's very good way to have passive income. And I as well spoke about the second way to be free financially, and it's acquiring shares, being a shareholder in companies. Thank you so much. À la prochaine.